Poland is planning to build one of the largest transport hubs in all of Europe. This new huge mega airport will connect both high-speed trains and air travel, and has even attracted a strong interest from NATO to secure its eastern flank. Warsaw already has two airports, and plans to replace them have caused some controversy. The new government is also really not a fan of the project. So what are the reasons behind this mega project? Does Poland really need one of the biggest airports in Europe? Now let's dive deep and find out. Located 40 km west of Warsaw, the Solidarity Transport Hub will integrate air, rail and road transport with 2,000 high-speed railway lines connecting the capital with major Polish cities and Rail Baltica. It aims to handle over 4 million passengers annually by 2035, which is about half of London Heathrow. It's Poland's shot at becoming a major transport hub for Central and Eastern Europe. But the airport as an idea is actually nothing new. The concept has been around since the 1970th century. Since the year 2000, analysis reports and feasibility studies have been carried out at government level, which then came to the conclusion in 2010 that Warsaw needs a new airport. This is because Chopin Airport, Poland's largest to date, has nearly outgrown its capacity to meet current and future demands for air transport. The government can't really do much to prolong its life either. The airport was once built far away from the capital, but the city has grown around it, and there's really no room to expand in 2019. This tried giant in service since the 1930th century handled nearly 19 million passengers, while having a maximum capacity of 22 million annually. Given the ongoing post-pandemic traffic recovery, the airport is projected to reach its limit in the next 3 years. A new airport seems like the only remaining option. This is where the Solidarity Transport Hub, also known as the Central Communication Port or CPK, comes in, with plans to handle 30 million passengers by 2028 and 40 million annually by 2035. But the CPK is much more than just an airport. It aims to become a key component of Poland's transport system, not only by air but also by land. All major cities will be connected to the hub with travel times of no more than 2.5 hours by high-speed trains. This will involve developing 10 rails radiating from the hub, along with 2 additional lines serving cities previously without any rail connection. Nearly 2,000 high-speed railway lines will have to be built for this, but once it's done, every place in Poland will be easy to reach. This is quite important in terms of international traffic as well. Take a high-speed train to Warsaw from Hungary, Czechia or Slovakia for example. Arrive at the hub and then fly anywhere, all in one place. But economic and infrastructure benefit aside, the CPK has something less obvious but equally important to defense capabilities. One of the lessons learned from the war in Ukraine is that Poland needs a high-capacity airport capable of 24/7 operation, suitable for cargo and connected to the railway and route networks. NATO representatives have already labeled the CPK as key to securing its eastern flank, which is why the hub has been planned as dual-use infrastructure, a civil airport in times of peace and a military installation that can be used by NATO support and rapid response force in the event of war.